Hello everybody, welcome back. Welcome to Aesthetics Plus Clinics. So today we are going to answer another query. We get a lot of queries where women are asking us that yes, post-pregnancy my breasts are empty, they are sagging, and now I want to get it corrected, but there is a lot of confusion of when to do a breast lift or when to do a breast reduction, or when to do a breast lift with an augmentation or only an augmentation. So these are the ways. We'll just break it down and then you can see what works best for you. So post pregnancy, if there is the breast size have increased a lot, then you need to do a breast reduction surgery. But this also, breast reduction or a breast lift, all these mummy makeover procedures, we try and do it after you've completed your family. So the most important thing is, yes, if you're having another kid, then wait for it and do it after you've finished with your second kid or third kid, depending on how you want to do it. And if you know that after one kid, yes, you have finished your family and you're not looking to anymore, then you do the procedure. The reason being that once you get pregnant and breastfeed again, then the changes are going to repeat themselves. So that is why we try and prevent that, to do a procedure which is going to be a wasted procedure kind of. So if your breasts are enlarged and they are causing back pain, then you need a breast reduction. The second procedure is a breast lift. So post pregnancy, what happens is the glands enlarge, and once they enlarge, they replace the fat. So once the involution happens and the breastfeeding stops, the glands involute and go back to the original position, but the fat which is lost doesn't come back. This leads to a sagging. So more fatty the breast initially, the more the sag after the procedure. So if it's a glandular breast, then the sag is not as much. Of course, there might be a little bit of sag because of the skin stretch which happens. So how do you decide whether you want a breast lift or an augmentation or a lift with an augmentation? So the simplest thing that you can do is, if you're wearing a bra and you find that your bra is empty, then you need a volume increase, that is, you need an augmentation. The second is, if you're wearing a bra, you feel full or you feel adequate, but when you take out the bra there is a sag, then you need only a lift. But if you feel that when you're wearing the bra it is empty, and when you remove the bra it also sags a lot, then you need a lift with an augmentation. So what exactly will work for you has to be decided more by you than us, and depending on how much you want, whether the volume or the lift, then we can decide and tell you, okay, this is the best option for you. So once again, if the breast size are too big, you do a reduction. If you're wearing a bra and the bra feels empty, then you do, but when you take it out it doesn't sag too much, then only an augmentation. If you're wearing a bra and it feels adequate, but when you take it out it sags a lot, then you need a lift. And if you find that the bra is empty and when you take it out it sags a lot, then you need a lift with an augmentation. So hope this helps clear out some of the doubts as to which is the procedure that you should choose for yourself. And as I said, this is a part of the mummy makeover procedure where we do the tummy tuck as well as a breast procedure. So, and we preferably do it after you complete your family. So if you have any other queries regarding the same, then drop in a mail and we will definitely answer it for you.